Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone 17e, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, enroll the settings. Then find and select Wallpaper, and now mark Add New Wallpaper. So as you can see, you've got plenty of options. You can either pick something from your own photos, you can create Emoji wallpaper, color wallpaper, Astronomy wallpaper, weather wallpaper, you can pick some from featured photos. Let me apply, for example, this picture, mark Add, and then decide if it should be a wallpaper pair or you want to customize home screen separately. I'll go with a pair, and that's it. It is already set. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.